AI tools that can replace your team. The following are the top 6 AI tools to help you work faster. 1. Tweet Hunter. Tweet Hunter is the Twitter audience and money-building tool that helps you locate and follow influencers, create and schedule tweets, assess your performance, and interact with your audience. 2. Taplio. Taplio is a LinkedIn automation tool driven by AI designed to help businesses and individuals increase their online presence. 3. 10Web. 10Web is a WordPress platform powered by AI to help website owners better create and manage their websites. 4. GitHub Copilot. An AI-powered pair programming tool called GitHub Copilot operates immediately in your editor and suggests full lines of code or complete functions for you. 5. Inbox Pro. A set of tools called Inbox Pro is intended to increase Gmail productivity. It includes a calendar scheduler, email tracking, templates, auto follow-ups, email analytics, and an AI-powered email assistant. 6. Bardeen. Bardeen is a powerful automation program to assist users in cutting down on the time and effort needed to execute repetitive chores. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.